Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the front roller bar on your Shark Power nozzle. So we're going to be removing this one here, and if you have a look on the side we have this little release. So push the release forward towards the front of the nozzle and it simply pops that out there, and it allows us to take it out from here, and then we can actually give this a good wash, but make sure it's fully dry before you put it back in. They recommend 24 hours, or put it on a radiator, leave it out in the sun, or even get your hairdryer to it. If you find that it's full of stuff wrapped around it, you can get yourself a little knife or scissors or even a fork, and you can just go in the bits, and you can see here that I'm pulling bits out from here, and that will allow you then to take those bits out. You can see there that's wrapped all the way around there. So it'll give you a good opportunity to give it a nice good clean. Now once it's fully dry, then you need to put it in this side first. You see that there's a part sticking down here, so put in this side first into the clear side, and then we need to put the point down into that little red bit there, and it will just click back into place. So put it in here like so and just press down, and it will click nicely back into place, and then you'll have a nice clean front roller again. Thanks for watching.